Namaste. My name is Sushmita Madhu and today I am going to tell you about my online course. I have created a course which will help people for becoming a freelancer. There are so many people who every day think of becoming a freelancer, but they do not know what to do, where to start, how to do freelancing. So for all those people, I have created this online course. I named this course as Website Making Mastery, in which I am teaching how to learn the skill of making websites and how to become a freelancer of website designer, of becoming a website designer or website developer. In my online course, I teach everything, not only website designing, but about clients, how to deal with clients, what kind of agreement should be sent, what kind of proposal should be sent, how to set the budget, and everything. Whatever I have learned in these many years, everything I have put down in my online course. And this online course only cost you 4,999. Don't think this price as an expenditure, but think this is an investment for creating your bright future. So if you are interested for enrolling into this course, my Website Making Mastery freelancing course, then you have to click the link that is mentioned in the description below. Go to that page, enter your details, and my team will get back to you as soon as possible. And I will see you inside the course. Bye bye.